There was once a man who lived in a stone cottage at the edge of the woods. He was known by no name because he rarely spoke. Not to villagers, not to strangers, only to the bird he kept in a silver cage by his window. However, the bird never chirped, never sang. It only watched him, and he watched it. One winter evening, a traveler arrived at the man's door. He wore a cloak made of shadow, and his boots left no prints in the snow. "Good evening," said the traveler. "I come from lands afar, and the purpose of my visit this evening pertains to your bird." The man nodded. "They say it was born from your soul, that when you were a boy, you tore it out, fearful it would make you weak, and locked it in a cage." The man said nothing. "I have a proposition," said the traveler, brushing frost from his sleeves. "Let me take the bird, and in exchange, I will gift you power. You will never know fear again. You will never feel uncertain, and never alone." The man hesitated. "What will become of my bird?" he asked. The traveler smiled. "Nothing becomes of what is no longer yours." The man looked at the bird. Its feathers shimmered faintly, even in the dark. Its eyes were full of something he did not want to name. He opened the cage. The traveler stepped forward, but the bird did not fly out of its cage. Instead, it turned to the man and spoke, in a voice he had not heard since he was a child. "He cannot take me. Only you can give me away." The man stared at the bird for a little longer, and then eventually closed the cage. "I'm sorry," he said, "not to the traveler, but to the bird." Then he turned to the traveler and whispered, "I'd rather tremble in truth than sleep soundly in the shell of who I was." The traveler stepped out of the cottage and vanished without a sound. No anger, no smoke, just snow, gently falling. They say the man still lives in that cottage. He still watches the bird. And the bird? Ever so often, it sings, very quietly, and only when it's sure no one else is listening.